Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are diving into the basics of Python programming. Specifically, we are going to talk about variables. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a variable? In Python, a variable is essentially a way to store data. Think of it as a container that holds information which you can use and manipulate throughout your program. Imagine you have a box and you label it age. Inside that box you place the number 25. So whenever you refer to the age box, you know it contains the number 25. So that's a variable in a nutshell. So let's jump into some code. To declare a variable in Python, you simply choose a name and use the equal sign to assign it a value. For example, age equal to 25. So here age is the variable name and 25 is the value stored in it. So variables can store different types of data. The most common type you will encounter are integers, floats, strings, and booleans. So let's go through each one. First up, we have integers. An integer is a whole number without a decimal point. For example, we have age equal to 25. And second, we have float. A float is a number that includes a decimal point, like price equal to 19.99. And third one is string. A string is a sequence of characters typically enclosed in quotation marks. You can use single quote or double quotes. And for example, we have name equal to Pythonic mine. And fourth one is boolean. A boolean represents a truth value which can be either true or false. For example, we have students. It can be either true or false. In this case, it's true. So now that we know how to declare variables and the different types we can use, let's see how we can use these variables in our program. So let's create a simple program that uses these variables. We'll combine them in a sentence. So first we have name equal to Pythonic mine, and it's a string. Second, we have age. What about 18? And is online. Let's say it's true. Let's print them. I'll use f string user name, and let's print age. Print f string age. Now print online. It can be either true or false. In this case, it's true. And yeah, let's now test this. As you can see, it printed username age online. So in this example, we use an f string to include our variables in a print statement. The curly braces allow us to insert the variable values directly into the string. One of the powerful features of variable is that you can change their values as your program runs. For instance, let's say Pythonic mind has a birthday and is now 19 years old. We can update the age variable like this: age equal to age plus 1, or age plus n equals to 1. So let's print it. F string updated age curly braces age. Let's run this. As you can see, before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some rules for naming variables in Python. These rules help ensure your code is readable and error-free. First rule: variable names must start with a letter or an underscore. Second rule: they can only contain numbers, letters, and underscores. Third rule: variable names are case sensitive. So age and age with capital A would be considered different variables. Fourth rule: avoid using Python's reserved keywords like for, while, if, which we'll talk about them later. And that's a wrap on our introduction to variables in Python. I hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident working with variables. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching and happy coding.